welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today me and some of my friends, we want to leave the Brisbane. We want to go to another city, but I'm not telling you. Okay, now we picked Punit. Say hi.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Okay, guys, finally we arrived to a place that I was.
What's the name?
The name is Harbour Town.
First time you call it right.
Okay, guys, now we arrived to a place.
You know what?
What's the name of here?
I'm vlogging a vlog.
Yeah, my friend doing the vlogging as
I'm
well.
watching the vlogger, vlogging the vlog, and vlogging the vlog.
Oh, yeah, vlogging. So now we arrived to a place. What's the name of here? Yeah, we don't know. We just arrived. And yeah, it's
Number one rule of number one rule of hiking is not to wear shorts.
This is like beach.
but our plan was that to going to beach, but now we are in a what's that,
You should be
mountain?
And on the airline, not many people speak English. Only one hotel, one resort. And you can get in because you don't have the bag or the breakfast, right? And it's a very focused hotel, very expensive one. So it's actually not very on air. We're showing you some other channels, which tried the new airline, so I have to take a ferry call. So I can't find him. So I have I think
Guys, now we arrived to a new place. Channel, what's the name of here?
This is called Cider Creek.
Oh yeah, and it's a really nice place. I'm going to show the view of here, and yeah, just let's go. This is our view, and
This is the way to the swimming place.
yeah, we are going.
Technically like swimming place where we can swim. It's clean water according to this person.
Yeah,
But let's see what it is.
he told us there is a swimming place, so we just trust him and we're going down off here. Okay guys, now we came here to watch the sunset. Look at the view, guys. It's so nice. Everyone here to watching the sunset.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Now we wanna record a video with the drone that my friend is setting now. Let's watch the sunset with the drone. We're trying our best to get a good video because it's so windy here. But we try our best to capturing a nice video from the sunset. It's really nice place here. I recommend to all of you come here. And there is two nice old car here. It's really nice. And the drone is going up. Yeah, I will put the video of the drone after this video. Yeah. All right, we now back to the Brisbane. We now dropping the Punit. We wanna go back to home, and he's so tired. I
We are
think.
just ending up the vlog, guys.
Yeah.
See you in next vlog. We're gonna go for hiking next. Stay with us.
Tell them they shouldn't forget what?
To share, subscribe, and
Subscribe.
like.
Subscribe, like, and see you soon in the next video.
See
Peace.
you.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye. Peace.
Okay guys, I wanna tell you one funny things happened after dropping the Punit and the Franklin. Me and Chanel, we are still in the car and we don't have any fuel. You can see it's almost almost finished. It's finished, and we are trying to go to the fuel station, the petrol station, but all of the way to there it's closed. Oh my god, we really don't know what we wanna do it. Just yeah, I wanted to share this one to you guys. Just now,
Pray
boy.
for us.
Yeah, pray for us. Wish luck for us.